How to create second Facebook profile with same email on same Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on the arrow down button. Now under your profiles and pages, simply tap on create new profile or page. Now select personal profile and tap on next. Now enter the profile name. Now tap on next. Again tap on create profile. Now wait for some time. Now once your profile is created, you can set up your profile by adding a profile picture, adding friends and many more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.